The way the South was back in the 50s and 60s, I didn't know or even really see men of color, yet we were all part of the same fraught, complicated place. So these pictures are a very personal exploration for me. Let's see, turn your head with that, if you can do it in a very slow, moderate way.
My left or my right?
I think your left. Okay, keep turning it, and then bring your eyes to the camera. I'll tell you what to do when I bring the film out, because I don't want you to practice it until. It's a little trick that the children knew by heart. I'll be right back. Don't move. What I want you to do right now is sort of close your eyes for a minute.
Okay, so the head stays where it is.
Head stays where it is, and squint, and squint into the lens, okay? So I'm pulling the shutter. You go ahead and do that. I'm going to go to about 20. Keep holding. Don't move.
Yeah, they're strong, Sally. This is the one I like the best. This is the most,
Me too.
the easiest to look at. This one, because of my extreme cheekbones, it seems to be skull-like.
Yeah, it's almost a death mask. It's a really, if you were lying down, it would be a really scary picture.
There's something about the light in it, and that looks particularly antique. You know? I am now a player in your, it's a story you're
narrative,
trying to tell.
Yeah.
In a story you're telling. Would you know that this person has done this thing called modern dance? Would you know? Or could this person have been born on a plantation in 1840, 50? What is there about the South and the battlefields and something called Abide With Me? And then there are these black bodies. So in other words, the black men are part of a trauma, which I think is honest.
This was originally part of a triptych, and there were 3 faces in a row. We decided on this one, I particularly love it because of the sculptural qualities in the way, in a certain sense, there's something, again, heroic in a sort of Greek way about the way the light is falling and the way he's got such intensity in his eye and sense of mission almost. This is the most open to interpretation, I would say.
When I look at that body, that head, and what looks like flames around him, it seems to be a particular narrative that, well, is it uplifting or is it frightening to me? And I think it's both for me. And the man in the middle, what's his name?
DJ.
And what's he doing?
He's singing. I was thinking about the unseen legacy of slavery, and I was thinking, what were the elements in the lives of these people that gave them any hope, any prospect of freedom? And I thought song, just the sheer joy of release.
One, Italian Renaissance. Standing on a hillside in a cold day, Sally looking at me. I am the greatest. She and I were talking about being photographed. Who is looking? Who determines value? Ward off all of my anger at the South. Ward off my closed heart. Pregnant with the potential in this moment. Classicism. Southern white boy, Southern black boy, Southern white man, Southern black man, waiting
Erwartung. Waiting for what? Change. My sexuality. Beefcake. Sally didn't ask me to take off my shirt. I don't need to seduce Sally's camera on a hillside. Oh my God, I don't know. She took the picture of the black man singing. And like so many people, white and black, we love to see singing, release on a hillside in Lexington.